Yo, me need to find the person we start the Jamaican versus Bahamian beef.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. And today we're talking about the Bahamas versus Jamaica war that is currently taking place on TikTok. Yes, burritos. So as I mentioned earlier, since this week, the Bahamian community is going up against the Jamaican community, all because of this video.
Self-praise and a recommendation. Make sure so you know how to stay along.
That's something
So after this video was posted to TikTok, it definitely did ignite a piece of energy from the Jamaicans because they are used to coming out against other Caribbean countries when they try them. No, some months ago, it was Jamaica versus Haiti, and now it is Jamaica versus Bahamas. No, I do not know why this lady decided to just go and call out the Jamaicans them like this with her TikTok video, but the Jamaicans them is not going to have it because them just a bull buck and up a conqueror when it comes on to these island wars. And so since then, everyone and their mother has been using the song. This is now a trending song on TikTok with the song with Vybz Kartel and Sheba.
Self-praise and a recommendation. Make sure so you know how to stay along.
That's something
Yes, the Vybz Kartel featuring Sheba song that is called Gaza Man. That line was says self-praise and a no recommendation. That is the new trending song. So Jamaicans are coming out and the Bahamians, them, you know, like one-on-one, them actually a try, but right now this is just overwhelming that the Jamaicans, them, are winning this feud. And so I'm going to just leave, you know, with a bunch of the videos that have been making the rounds on the TikTok platform so you can have a sense of what the war is like. But burritos, let me know when you think about it. Honestly, I just hope these Caribbean wars just stop because ultimately all of the countries then we have our own things, we have our own crosses what we need to deal with and focus on instead of like going up against each other. But at the end of the day, I fully understand, say it's pretty much fun and games, but like come on, we need to chill now. We have other things to sort out right now. So if you enjoyed this Countdown Quickie, ensure that you give a like, comment, share, and to subscribe for another time when I'll be talking about a next trending topic where I'll be presenting you in a jiffy. Take care. Ta-ta.
We don't trust your car and a thump up face business, this brother.
Jamaica is a big deal and everything.
Them want to start it, but me know them a baby. Tell them it's day up on the gas, I'm ready. You coulda even bring the whole military.
Start it if you want start it. But me no do it past street. Me a come for you where you eat and sleep. And me no come for you meet and greet. Somebody teeth off a meat concrete. You run already like real athlete, but you never fast like the steel that beat.
So, I just come back from a little vacation. And the only thing that on my For You page is self-reason and you know, I look at Jamaican song and they have like a black Bahamian and they look a vibe thing to it, you know. So I think everything was all fine and then the message Jamaicans are joining self-reason and they like a dance too. Brother, is this like a Bahamian girl go decide say she want to talk about running water on pavement? Oh, she attack! I tell you when the Jamaican them swarm our comment section. One girl tell herself to go suck her through a KFC straw. A KFC straw. Brother, I'm all here. As a Jamaican, I'm here for the violence. Haiti versus Jamaica. Jamaica win because you know bad like that. But Jamaica versus Bahamas, when I really want to start up a war, when I know some small fries, right? When I know some no side order.
Jamaica is a big deal and everything else a small fry and side order.
We depend on so many countries to feed ourselves.
That's something that way up and up up me need it.
From you do it alright,
Just the door. Bombastic side eye.
from you do it alright, if you keep it.
Me way me I touch it and I treat it. Not even Victoria keep the secret.
I just really find it crazy how Jamaica decides to come for the Bahamas. But let's really get into it. In Jamaica, 17.1% people live below the poverty line. Jamaica is listed as not safe because of their locals and their harsh behavior. If you were to move and live inside Jamaica, you would find it hard to make money because they have less jobs opportunities. Also, can't forget very limited emergency medical infrastructure. I really can't see how y'all could try send for the Bahamas when y'all basically living off of tourism and mining. And y'all really trying to call the Bahamas broken? Y'all don't have not one casino inside your country? That is crazy. The culture of the yachty man them is bleaching their skin beyond repair. Just depleting all your melanin. My God. You want to look like Snow White, huh? Jamaica's crime index is 67.20. And their safety scale is 32.80. Moving on to the Great Bahamas. Let's get into it. The Bahamas ranks number 5 in the richest countries inside the Caribbean. The World Bank recognizes the Bahamas as a high-income, developed country. Jamaica has a GDP per capita of 8,700 as of 2020. Meanwhile, inside the Bahamas, the GDP per capita is 30,800 as of 2020. Y'all really also trying to call people broke when y'all ranking number 20th on the richest Caribbean countries? How you figure that? The Bahamas crime index is 56.87. And our safety scale is 43.13. Just saying, the Bahamas lacks in no areas. We may have our issues here and there, but that's staying between us, the Bahamians. But we'll be damned if we ever let a bottom feeder country like Jamaica ever try to disrespect our beautiful colors. Y'all dummy. Y'all better try a next country. Don't send for the Bahamas like that. Over a dance, over a TikTok, over a song. Y'all sad. Y'all ain't got nothing to do. Go finish dig inside them minds what y'all got, man. Damn it. Y'all gotta be sick inside y'all head ever sending for the CYC warriors.
If reach home for make that video, no country we follow Jamaica do nothing can talk, because yes, Jamaica is known for skin bleaching, but so are you too, Bahamas. Oh wait, I got the screenshots to prove, so don't even worry, I will drop the screenshots. No, me don't want to come call it no skin toning, skin lightening, or skin bleaching. When still bleaching on the skin. Yes, Jamaica is known for skin bleaching, but Bahamas don't do it to hide it. No pat can cause keckle right here, so. And what monkey see, monkey do. And then again, no country was saying better than Jamaica we can't do this. Or if better than we can't do this. Huh? Not to mention the government to ask you for sending the food. Listen. How if better than we want our food? It cannot share because you're too ungrateful. And the funniest thing is, our music I used to on presumptuous. That is a problem. On presumptuous. When I go come cost us, we not pavement, or we not water. Yet still, we barely have electricity and we barely have food. And want our food? We need an apology as soon as possible. Out of order.